So finally, I get the chance to prove everyone wrong. That this girl can sing. Besides, who can really mess up karaoke? Mr. DJ, run the track. I've been told I sound like Tony Braxton, so I just want to prove it to you guys. Bigging up all the lovers in the house. Don't leave me in all this pain. Don't leave me out in the rain. Come back and bring back my smile. Come and take these tears away. I need your arms to hold you now. Nights are so unkind. And bring back those nights when I held you beside me. Unbreak my...
You started nice, but you went off key. So, that's not going to happen today. Sorry.
Really? Really, guys? Is it that I chose the wrong song?
No, you didn't.
Anywho, before I select my next tune, let me reintroduce myself. I am Take It to Them Terry, and this is Digicel Rising Stars Ocho Rios. As is customary on any talent show, we have prelim judges, and the contestants see them before going to the main judges. Essentially, they are the gatekeepers, Mike and Mike. Hi, guys.
Hi.
I remember 2 years ago I tried to sing for you, and you guys were not amused. I've gotten better.
Yes?
I have advice.
But you haven't heard me yet, though,
No,
Mike.
man.
You haven't heard me yet.
Okay, go on.
What were you going to tell me? Let it go?
Let it go, let it go. Yes.
You guys are mean it anyway. Guys,
We're actually sparing you.
you know you're not going to do... You know what? You know, I'm going to go
Can you imagine if
home.
you did that on a regular basis in front of an audience that is...
You know, this was going to be a very nice interview, and you guys have totally
Alright.
just shot my pride.
Let's talk
Anyways,
There's only love here.
yeah. Ocho Rios, Digicel Rising Stars 2017. What are you looking for, Mike?
Okay, we're just looking for people who can really perform and sing, who have really nice instruments. We're trying to avoid the mad people, but
And when he says mad, what is he referring to?
Mad people who come and you'll tell them, okay, I'm sorry, it's not working out. And you say, okay, I can try again. And say, okay, give you one last chance. I can go to the other 10. And you say, no, it's not working out, you know. All right, I'm going to come back here.
Wow.
there's a young man who came to me 3 times today and twice to Michael. The same guy. I was like, no, every time.
How do you guys compose yourselves? Because we also have the characters that come in costumes. They come in like you're almost like to perform. How do you compose yourselves?
But my face can be deadpan, but my body will betray me, because I'll be like this.
I just enjoy it. I just talk back to them, and if I think they look ridiculous, I say, boy, you look strange today, you know, but I just make it fun and just keep the dialogue going.
But guys, these are the gatekeepers. They filter, they screen, and then they send the contestants to the main judges. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Unbreak my heart.
It's okay. It's alright.
I need to get my phone. I need to call my baby and find out if he's at home. 'Cause I'm feeling right and I wanna be wrapped up in his arms tonight. Alright, I wanna lay him down, make sweet love on the ground. 'Cause I'm in the mood. Don't you say I'm rude.
I mean, I thought that you're definitely one of the better voices that we've heard today, and I like you, and I say yes.
I can't help thinking I have to visualize you in a TV context, and you're not working for me in that context.
Yeah, but see, I don't know why not.
Yeah, but I think, yeah.
Fine, and send her through
She has
Yeah.
potential.
Me, I fall in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me to your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart.
Yes,
Thanks.
conflict.
You belted it out. You know, some might have liked it, some may have liked it, but you gave it your all, and that was credible.
So contestants come to the auditions all the time, and sometimes we find them singing in the strangest places. Follow me. Hi! Hi guys! Hi! I heard singing.
Terry Curtis,
Hi! Hi guys! Okay, so who was singing? I heard singing outside.
It's me.
Is you or is you or is you? Yeah. All of you guys are auditioning?
No, we don't. We're gonna audition, but we don't audition yet.
Okay, so are you guys auditioning as a group? Are you friends? Or you just met up in the...
Single.
So you just meet up in the bathroom and just start singing?
Yeah, because we are multi-talented, so we are like encouraging each other.
Lovely. Are you guys all from Ocho?
I don't live in Boxfield, Ocho.
Fantastic.
But I'm from my mall. When you go stand there,
I'm from Montego Bay.
Alright, okay, Monday repping. Ocho, Clarendon. First time entering Digicel Rising Stars?
Yes.
Alright, why this year? Like, why did you choose this year?
Well, for me, I feel this year is spirit.
You feel like this year is your year?
Yeah, this year my year.
I believe that this year my time to shine, because Rising Star is like star, right? So it's shining. Okay, so
yeah, and I'm a diva star.
Exactly.
Diva star. Do you guys have stage names?
Of course.
What's your stage name?
Minister Crystal Marsh.
Minister Crystal Marsh.
Right.
Detta Doll? Detta Doll.
Okay, the diva.
Alright. What song are you going to prepare for the judges? Let me hear that. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. When I was practicing before, you know, I hear the music and that's why I come inside. Give me.
Honesty is such a lonely word. Everyone is so untrue.
Remix to you. I forget the word.
Jamaica, me are the one who if you lift up the name of Jesus. Oh, 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 oh. Talking, them talking. Let them keep on talking, them talking.
She give me the garnet. Alright, to you.
The rain is falling, my baby's all alone. Don't wanna waste no time, wanna go home.
Alright. So who is going to win Digicel Rising Stars this year? At last, my love has come along. My lonely days are over, and life is like a song. Yeah.
Welcome to Rising Stars. That was great. You sound amazing. You do. I just like you to emote more. I just like to feel more of you, but vocally, awesome.
Yeah. And the texture in your tone was nice as well, how you worked it.
Too proud to play, sweet darling. Please don't leave me, girl. Don't you go. Ain't too proud to play, baby. Don't leave me, girl. Don't you go.
Thank you. So we're both saying nice song selection. You know, it kind of had that old school Motown kind of vibe, which is very cool, but it requires a lot of energy, a funky, soulful vibe, and that's what we didn't get from it. That's what I didn't get from it. But I'd really like the song selection.
Yeah, good song selection. You have a good voice, presence as well. Just training. That's all. It's just.
So you're saying yes?
I'm saying yes.
No.
You're
I
saying
say
no.
yes.
You're
What
saying
do you
yes.
say?
I like his energy. I like what he was giving. I'd say yes.
Yes.
So we're here at Island Village and there's talent everywhere. I heard this particular song and I said, oh, that's my song. I know I can sing that. Well, maybe I can't sing that song. Donica, correct?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I see you with a little piece of paper in your hand, which means what? I got this. So you went before the preliminary judges that sent you to the main judges, and that means that they
They liked you.
Yes, they did.
First time entering?
Yes, it's my first time entering.
Why did you choose this year? And was there anybody in particular who encouraged you to?
Well, I chose this year. I wanted to come last year, but you know, my mom would say, "Hey, Donica, just wait out a bit. I don't think you're ready yet." But this year, I'm doing it. I'm going full hands. I'm going to get through.
And you're gonna win the season.
I'm going to win the season.
But I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out and move.
Yes, girl.
Mountains, we gon' walk it out. Move mountains, and I'll rise up. I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up.
Fabulous girl. Nice. Like your performance. Liked it. Really liked it.
And you're young and cute.
Yes.
The prelim tents are open, the main judges are ready to go, and nothing is going to stop us. Not even little blessings. It's a rainy day in Ocho, but Digicel Rising Stars still I go take it to them. We soon come.